Welcome to Rome Tech. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more tech-related content. Quick Fix Credit Solutions, as found at quickfixcreditsolutions.com, presents itself as a resource for individuals seeking to improve their credit scores. The website claims to offer assistance in navigating the complexities of credit repair, suggesting that they can help consumers address negative items on their credit reports. While the specifics of their services aren't explicitly detailed on the homepage, they emphasize the importance of having good credit for securing loans, buying a home, and even impacting employment opportunities. The site's design is straightforward and easy to navigate, featuring testimonials and contact information prominently. Potential clients are encouraged to reach out for a free consultation to discuss their credit situation and explore the options available to them. It's worth noting that the information presented on the site is general in nature and doesn't constitute financial advice. Visitors are advised to conduct their own research and due diligence before engaging with any credit repair service. Understanding the regulations and potential risks associated with credit repair is crucial. Consumers should be cautious of companies promising unrealistic results or guaranteeing the removal of accurate negative information from credit reports. Remember, building good credit takes time and consistent financial responsibility. While Quick Fix Credit Solutions might offer tools and guidance, ultimately, improving your credit score depends on your own financial habits and decisions. The site also highlights the emotional toll that poor credit can take, suggesting they offer support and understanding throughout the process. Furthermore, they emphasize the confidentiality and security of personal information provided by clients. It's important to remember that credit repair is a complex process and there are many resources available to consumers. Before making any decisions, consider exploring options like non-profit credit counseling agencies, which may offer free or low-cost services. These organizations can provide personalized guidance and education on managing your finances and improving your credit health. Ultimately, a well-informed consumer is empowered to make the best choices for their individual circumstances. Be sure to thoroughly investigate any company offering credit repair services, and remember that sustainable credit improvement is a journey, not a quick fix.